A lot of people focus only on oils and leave-in treatment, but they completely ignore one very important step in their hair routine, which is their shampoo. Most shampoos strip the hair, weakens the roots, and dry out your scalp. So even if you're applying powerful oils and treatments, your shampoo could actually be reversing all your progress. And that's why today I'm going to show you a very powerful herbal shampoo mix using just 3 natural ingredients. This combination is not only going to help reduce hair fall, but it will also strengthen your roots, thicken your strands, and boost faster hair growth. And the best part, you're simply upgrading your regular shampoo. No stress and no complicated routine. Let's get straight into it. Hi natural lover, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. Now to begin, the first thing you're going to do is to add a cup of water into your pot, and you're going to get your black tea. All you need for this recipe is just 1 tablespoon of black tea. Go ahead and add it into your 1 cup of water. And you can also use any type of black tea. The one I used in this video is this top tea. You can also use Lipton tea bag or any other form of black tea as long as it's black tea, okay? Black tea is one of the most underrated ingredients when it comes to hair growth. Black tea contains caffeine, which helps block DHT, the hormone that is responsible for hair loss. It strengthens weak hair follicles, stimulates blood circulation, and promotes thicker, fuller, and stronger hair growth. So if you're also experiencing hair thinning and hair loss, trust me, you don't want to joke with this recipe. Now, I allowed my black tea to simmer on low heat for about 2 minutes before I will go ahead to add in the other ingredients. So the next ingredient to be adding is fenugreek seed, which is also known as the metis seed. Fenugreek is a powerful hair growth ingredient rich in protein, nicotinic acid, iron, and lecithin, which works together to deeply nourish the scalp, strengthen weak hair strands, reduce breakage and excessive shedding, improve hair elasticity, add moisture to dry and brittle hair, sort scalp irritation, fight dandruff, and promote thicker, fuller, and healthier hair growth. This seed also has a natural sleep which helps reduce tangle and breakage during washing your hair. And all you'll be needing for this recipe is just 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. Add it into your already boiling black tea and stir it up. Now we'll go ahead and add our next and final ingredient, which is rosemary. Many people compare rosemary to hair growth treatment because of how effective it is when used consistently. Rosemary is highly effective for hair growth because it stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, helping to deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles, which strengthens the hair root, reduce hair thinning and shedding, support the growth of new hair, and over time lead to longer, thicker, and more resilient hair. So for the rosemary, I added 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to allow this to boil together for another 5 minutes for the herbs to actually release all their nutrients. And during this time, you're going to notice that it's going to become more richer and more concentrated with nutrients. Then I'll go ahead, give it a quick stir, and turn off the heat. I'll allow this mixture to cool completely. You need to make sure this mixture cools completely because you don't want to add the next ingredients while this mixture is still very hot. So after some few minutes, it was completely cool. I will go ahead to strain this to extract the water. And please, if you're still watching up to this point and you've not yet given this video a thumbs up, please hit the like button below and give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now, this powerful mix is especially great if you're dealing with hair shedding or breakage, weak thin strands, slow or stagnant hair growth, if your hair feels dry after washing or lacks volume or fullness, then this mixture is actually what you need because this recipe works directly on your scalp and it helps to strengthen your hair from the roots, improve blood circulation, nourish the scalp deeply, reduce inflammation, and create that perfect environment for healthier and faster hair growth. Like I said earlier, this combination is not only going to help reduce hair fall, but it's also going to help strengthen your roots, thicken your strands and boost faster hair growth. So if your hair is stuck or your hair is thinning or falling out, then you don't want to sleep on this recipe. And now after you're done straining, you should have this very dark, nutrient rich herbal tea that looks exactly like this. And now you can go ahead and take your favorite shampoo. Yes, the shampoo that you love using. You can either pour the mixture into your entire shampoo, but to be on a safer side because of spoilage, you can just add a little amount of shampoo into this mixture for a single use and then repeat the process on every wash day. But if you can't go through the stress of making it on every wash day, then add it into your shampoo and make sure to put your shampoo in the refrigerator. And after adding it, make sure to stir together properly so the nutrient is evenly distributed. This method is a very simple but powerful way to upgrade your hair care routine without spending extra money. So instead of letting your shampoo strip your hair, you're turning it into a hair growth treatment. And after the first use, you should notice reduced hair shedding, cleaner, healthier scalp, and less itchiness. And after 3 to 4 weeks, you should notice stronger hair strands, less breakage, and noticeable improvements in your hair texture. And with consistent use, after 1 to 2 months, you're going to notice your hair looking very thick, increased hair growth, and fuller, healthier hair. Consistency is key, and if you stay consistent with this, you will definitely see improvement in your hair health, strength, and growth. Stay consistent and don't expect an overnight miracle. Just trust the process, and within a short period, you should see a very noticeable change in your hair. And now I'm going to walk you through on the most important part, which is how to use this for effective results. Yes, it's almost the same way you use your regular shampoo, but with a little bit twist. To use this herbal shampoo mixture effectively, you're going to start by thoroughly wetting your hair with lukewarm water, as this is going to help open up your cuticles and allow better absorption of the nutrients of this shampoo. Then you're going to apply a moderate amount of this mixture directly to your scalp, focusing more on your roots rather than the length of your hair. And you're going to gently massage your scalp using your fingertips in a circular motion. And you're going to do that for about 3 to 5 minutes, as this is going to help the nutrients of this mixture to penetrate deeper into your follicles. And after that, you can either allow this to sit for extra 2 to 5 minutes, or you can go right away and rinse it out using clean water. And if your hair has a lot of buildup or oil, you can repeat the process a second time, and always follow up with a moisturizing conditioner or a deep conditioner just to restore softness and prevent dryness. Use this consistently and watch your hair transform. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more natural hair growth recipe. Bye.